Welcome, students, to this exciting solution problem. This question asks us to identify which of the conjugate acids from this list is the strongest, but it doesn't provide us any additional information about those acids. Instead, it gives us a table showing a bunch of bases whose structures are related to the structures and formulas of these conjugate acids. For example, this first acid right here, NH4+, you can see structurally corresponds to this base NH3. In other words, the differences between the formulas here in these bases and the conjugate acids down in this list is simply that the bases formulas, if you take them and add a hydrogen and a positive charge, you arrive at the corresponding conjugate acid. Does that make sense? So how can we use the information provided about these bases to identify the strongest of these conjugate acids? Well, the way we do this is in a roundabout manner. We have to remember a few things. First of all, we have to remember that the weaker the base, the stronger the conjugate acid. Thus, to identify the strongest conjugate acid from this list, we need to identify the weakest base from this table. So how do we do that? Well, that requires the next piece of information. Remember, the weakest base is the one that has the smallest Kb, or base dissociation constant. In other words, if we identify the smallest Kb from this list, the base that it corresponds to is the weakest base from this table, and therefore the conjugate acid whose structure corresponds to that is the strongest acid. Does that make sense, connecting all of those dots in the path? I hope so. So let's see if we can identify the smallest Kb here, and hence the weakest base from this table. Which of all of these Kb's is the smallest? Well, you should recognize that when you have 10 raised to a negative exponent, the more negative that exponent, the smaller the number. I have -5, -9, -8, and -4. You can see then that the smallest of all of these is going to be 10 to the -9, regardless of what the numbers here at the beginning in the scientific notation say, because all of these others are 10 to the negative numbers that are, less negative than the -9. So I guess what I'm saying is that this is the smallest Kb and hence the weakest base. So the strongest conjugate acid is the one whose formula corresponds to this base. And which one is that? Yeah, you can hopefully see that it is answer B.